Hi guys, this is Dwarf66 with yet another video, but this time it's not a loco, it is the Dapol motorised track cleaner, and it's a DCC ready model, so let's get it out. These are some instructions. Please read before operating the unit. Some instructions on how to remove the different things, how to insert the DCC chip, the usual. So let's get it out. If I can, I don't think sellotape's very box friendly. Well, they've certainly put this on well. There we go, I've won. So yeah, take these alright, well, there's some accessories in the bottom, some plastic covers. Know what that's for? That's for the actual vacuum part of it. Yeah, just have a look. We have bottom more sellotape with curious little package. Not sure what that is actually. Just have a look at that. Oh, I think I know what that is. Just have a look on the bottom. Might be, I think it goes in there, and that disperses the no, that's not it, it can't be. I'll look at that later. Yeah, I've seen this on the instructions. This is to get the, put that in there and then I think you just pull it out, but I'll see to that later. Anyway, the car itself is it's very robust. Things are dangling loosely there, just so it connects up. Yeah, it's really good. That's for the track cleaning fluid. I haven't got that because I won't need to use it that often. Well, I'm going to be using it about once a month, possibly a bit more often, but yeah, I'm going to insert a DCC chip. As you can see, it's Hornby's 4 function 1. That is the decoder in there. It's smaller than I expected them to be from the size of them on the DCC decoder installation guides, but I have already fitted a DCC chip to the City of Chester, which you may remember from the days of running Gold Pack. But yeah, there's installation, different languages. I don't read Spanish or French, but yeah, this is it. Yeah, so that's the DCC chip in there. Not very big, but you need it very small for the locals. I had a little screwdriver around here somewhere. Just trying to straighten out these wires. Okay, the orange wire. Pop it in. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug the Elite in. I have had the update for this, just in the box. I've had the update for this, so as you can see, it's there. Just call up my other loco, the City of Chester, CC of Che, because there clearly isn't enough room. See it coming around here now. Just hit the emergency stop on that because that's going a bit too fast. Reverse it while I put the well, actually put everything back on, even though it's not recommended. But I did it with the City of Chester, so don't see a problem. It's just backing out now. Just turn that off. Move back over to the track cleaning car. Can't be touching any other piece of metal. So if I cover that,
I was nervous. I was definitely nervous because I could just see that thing come crashing down after all that work.
Pops on. No, my head's probably on there, but just check that I'm not touching any other metal. I think just move it over a bit and then just wrap the wires around. That hasn't worked, but it's staying up there now, so hoping. Seem to have lost my lost the on-off button, but oh no, it's there. I'm just blind. I'm not really blind, but that's fallen off again. I shouldn't have any problems with this. And your reservoir stopper. Turn it upside down. That doesn't sound good. I'm not sure what that was actually. It's all fine. Do that again now.
Well, we haven't put up the top tower piece and it's crooked. I just started melting the chocolate that was in between the pillars.
Well, of course, I'm hoping it's okay. Otherwise, this is well, this will all be for nothing. My battery's dying, but I'll carry on. So keep calm and carry on. So now popping that back on, and screw to go in place.
Now we just got to start focusing on the details. And 1 hour for details really was not enough. Can't wait till this is over.
Those trees are hanging over the garden. I started to put them on.
I need to loosen that a bit, that's a bit tight.
Pure adrenaline at that time, you know.
Better, and
One world,
yeah,
then the other world, everything world. For a second, I'm like,
the elusive set of wheels.
it's not gonna happen. 1 hour, I'll complete the beat the way I wanted it to be done. Look behind.
I'd like to be a little bit more ahead. I'd like to be more ahead.
Something happened, I evaporated, I don't know what it was. We just had such a huge volume of work, we really had to keep moving to get through that crunch time. How much longer for the win? 5? How about 3?
How about I'll try?
I might need that screwdriver again just to put it back.
I see him cloaking a beautiful armature with white chocolate. I still don't know what he's up to.
He's got a ton to put on there yet.
The first one was a light color because all the chocolate was tempered and at different times. So the look that I wanted to give it was a little bit not there. We overcame the last color with the chocolate goldish color.
Of course it doesn't say how to replace the wheels, but
They were smaller back in. We had a type of mold. I wanted to put
guess you do it like that. So just shut on now, put that in. Has the vacuum head on, so now going to call it up as a brand new thing. Let's see if it starts up.
That was pretty stressful getting him up.
It's going to be the last one that I have running right now.
Give me those, sweetheart.
Oh.
You can pass me the flowers.
Flowers? What role do flowers have in this? If maybe you can get the flowers and the flowers with the sun. No one has to take the sun, that's the truth. This piece looks like something like common already has.
There you go.
The timing was so tight that we didn't spend the time that we were supposed to spend on making sure the software could be
There you go. My next video will possibly, most likely be the Flying Scotsman, so